Hello and good afternoon to all the staff of
Hi,
Unified Mentor.
myself
My name is
Trupti.
Trupti.
I
I am
have
from Belgium.
completed my
I am currently pursuing
internship
my
with Unified
BE in
Mentor
Delhi
as a
Technological
full stack
University.
web development
I had a
intern. It
great
was a great
experience
learning
in
experience.
Unified Mentor
I got to
internship for
work on the
3
projects
months
like
duration in full
weather
stack
app,
web
which uses
development.
API
It was a
integration,
great
or student
experience
teacher
and I
booking
learned a
appointments,
lot.
which also
So
uses
I
Firebase and
built
Cloud
2
Firestore.
projects. The
I
first
had
one was a basic
such a great time working on
portfolio
this
in which
project,
I
which
learned
makes my knowledge
about front-end
or my
development,
theoretical
and the next
knowledge worked
project is
into the
about the chat
practical ones.
application in
It
which
improved
in
my
deeply
skills in
I learned
HTML,
about full
CSS,
stack web
JavaScript,
development, that
and
is both
also
front-end and the
I
back-end.
happen to learn
So
new
I
skills
hope
like React,
you
Node,
guys
and
can
Firebase as well.
evaluate my project, and I hope
I
you
had
guys
such a
like
great
it.
time. Overall, the
Thank you for the
mentors in
experience
Unified
and the
Mentor are
guide.
so supportive.
Thank you
Any
so
doubts
much.
can be solved if I
Hello
message
and
them
good
or
afternoon
call
to
them
all
in
the
any
staff of
time,
Unified Mentor.
which was a
My name is
great thing which
Trupti.
makes
I am from
every
Belgium.
task
I am currently
easier.
pursuing my
Thank you,
BE in Delhi
Unified Mentor,
Technological
for
University.
giving me this
I had a
opportunity, and
great
I'll recommend
experience
to all
in
the students
Unified
to gain
Mentor
the work
internship for three
experience and the
months
real
duration
life
in full
experience through
stack web
this.
development.
Thank you.
It was a great